You'd think that sometimes a fecal pellet wouldn't be beautiful, a piece of poop, but sometimes they really are. It happens so often that when we look closer at these worlds, I see something I've never seen before. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not important. My name is Colleen Durkin, and I'm an oceanographer at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute. When you look under a microscope at seawater, you see a swirl of life, lots of activity. It's not empty. It's full of phytoplankton, zooplankton, swimming and swirling around. And you also see the waste products and also the food for life in the deep ocean. My team studies marine snow, which are all the tiny microscopic particles that sink in the ocean, and we also study all the plankton, microbes, animals that interact with those particles. The plankton are the engines of the marine food web. They supply the food for all the larger animals in the ocean. A lot of microscopic animals also eat particles and marine snow from other animals. So all of this is the fuel for life in the ocean. It's also a huge part of how the ocean takes up carbon and is why the ocean is a large carbon sink. It's really fascinating that when you look through a microscope and see something tiny, that it's really complex. We might think that something, even a single cell or a tiny fecal pellet is really simple, but the closer you look at it, the more complicated you realize it is, and also the more beautiful it is. I always get excited when I see silicifiers, tiny plankton that can produce their own silica shells. And in the deep sea, you often see, including on this cruise, radiolarians. They're tiny single cells that eat other things, and some of them also make glass structures. And when you see those under a microscope, it's just awe-inspiring. Coming. I started out looking at beautiful silica cells, and now I look at poop. As soon as I started learning about the science of oceanography, it was like a light bulb went off, like, oh, this is my thing. It's always been my passion. This incredibly magical microscopic world under the ocean has a huge impact on this interconnected Earth system. I can see how incredible and exciting and beautiful this microscopic world is, and I really want other people to appreciate that as well. I feel like they're missing out.